Okay, ladies, if you've ever dealt with razor burn, irritation, or just the overall struggle of trying to get a clean trim down there, this video is literally for you. We're breaking down the 5 best bikini trimmers for women right now, and trust me, by the end of this, you're going to know exactly which one is worth your money. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, we've got the 2-in-1 waterproof bikini trimmer, and honestly, for what it costs, somewhere between $10 to $20. It's a solid little budget pick that gets the job done without making your wallet cry. This thing is a 2-in-1, meaning you're getting both a trimmer and a shaver in one compact device, which is great if you're just starting out or you want something simple to throw in your travel bag. It's waterproof too, so you can use it in the shower, which is always a win because let's be real, that's where most of us handle this stuff anyway. The compact size also means it barely takes up any space in your bathroom drawer or toiletry bag, which is always a bonus. Now, in terms of performance, it's decent for the price. It handles light trimming and shaping pretty well, and the dual-ended design gives you a bit more flexibility depending on what you're going for. It's not going to blow you away with power or precision, but for a budget trimmer, it absolutely does what it promises. The blades are sharp enough to get through the job without too much fuss, and the waterproof design means cleanup is as easy as rinsing it under the tap. No complicated maintenance, no hassle. For a lot of women who just want something low maintenance and functional, that simplicity is actually a huge selling point. The reason it lands at number 5, though, is pretty straightforward. It's the most basic option on this list. Battery life is average. It might need a few extra passes to get a really clean and precise finish, and it's just not as refined or powerful as the other trimmers we're covering today. There's also less control over length compared to trimmers with adjustable comb guides. But again, if you're on a tight budget and need something functional without any frills, the 2-in-1 waterproof bikini trimmer is a perfectly fine place to start, especially at that price point. At number 4, we have the Philips Bikini Genie BRT 381/15, sitting at around $20 to $30, and this one is a noticeable step up from the budget options. Philips is a brand that's been in the grooming game for a long time, and it really shows in how this trimmer is designed and engineered. It's got a rounded comb attachment that's specifically made to contour to the curves of the bikini area, which means less snagging, less pulling, and a way more comfortable experience overall, especially if you've got sensitive skin that reacts to pretty much everything. What makes this one stand out is the design philosophy behind it. Philips built this specifically for the bikini line, not just a generic trimmer with a different label slapped on it. It's cordless, it's fully waterproof, and it has a gentle trimming system that significantly reduces irritation compared to your standard drugstore razors. The battery lasts a solid amount of time on a single charge, and it charges up pretty quickly, so you're not left waiting around when you actually need it. The blade guard is also designed to keep the trimmer at a safe distance from the skin, which adds an extra layer of comfort and protection during use. It earns spot number 4 because while it's genuinely great at what it does, it is a bit more limited in terms of versatility. It's more of a shaping and maintenance tool rather than a full grooming kit, so if you want something that handles multiple areas of the body or gives you more attachment options, you might find yourself wanting a little more. But for clean, comfortable bikini line maintenance without irritation or fuss, the Philips Bikini Genie is genuinely impressive and very beginner-friendly. Sliding in at number 3 is the Gillette Venus Gentle Bikini Trimmer, priced at around $25 to $35. And honestly, the name says it all, gentle. This one is specifically designed with sensitive skin in mind, and if you've ever experienced redness, bumps, or that awful post-trim irritation, this might be exactly what you've been missing. Gillette is obviously a household name when it comes to shaving and grooming, and they brought that same dedication to skin comfort into this bikini trimmer in a really thoughtful way. The trimmer head is designed to glide smoothly across the skin without applying too much pressure, and it comes with guide combs so you have full control over how much length you're removing. It's fully waterproof, works perfectly in the shower, and the ergonomic handle makes it genuinely easy to maneuver in those tricky, hard-to-reach areas without any awkward fumbling or discomfort. The design is also really clean and easy to hold, which sounds like a small thing but makes a real difference when you're trying to be precise. For a lot of women, especially those who are newer to using dedicated bikini trimmers, this is the kind of device that makes the whole process feel a lot less intimidating and a lot more manageable. It lands at number 3 because it's honestly one of the most comfortable and skin-friendly options on this entire list. but it doesn't quite have the power or the broader feature set of the top two picks. It's more specialized toward gentle and careful trimming rather than heavy-duty grooming sessions, so if you need to tackle thicker or coarser hair, you might hit its limits quicker than you'd like. Still though, for sensitive skin, the Gillette Venus Gentle Bikini Trimmer is a strong, reliable choice and very much worth considering. Taking the number 2 spot is the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit, coming in at around $25 to $40, and this one is honestly one of the best value-packed options on this entire list. What sets it apart right away is that it's a complete kit. You're not just getting a bikini trimmer, you're getting multiple attachments that let you groom basically your whole body. Bikini line, legs, underarms, this kit handles all of it with ease, which is a massive plus if you want one single device that covers everything without buying multiple tools. Remington loaded this kit with really practical features. It's fully waterproof, completely cordless, and the various comb attachments give you a ton of control over length and precision depending on what you need. The trimmer motor is powerful enough to handle thicker or coarser hair without tugging or pulling, and it leaves the skin feeling noticeably smoother rather than irritated or raw. The battery holds up well through multiple uses, and the whole kit comes in a really convenient storage pouch, which makes it super easy to keep everything organized and travel ready. For women who want a versatile grooming tool that genuinely goes beyond just the bikini area, this kit is hard to beat at this price. The reason it sits at number 2 and not number 1 comes down to pure bikini trimming performance and overall refinement in that specific area. The Remington is excellent across the board, don't get it wrong, but when it comes to precision, comfort, and finish quality specifically for intimate grooming, it gets just slightly edged out by our top pick. That said, if versatility and value are your biggest priorities, the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit is an outstanding buy and one of the strongest all-around performers on this list. And taking the number 1 spot is the Panasonic Bikini Trimmer ES-WV60S, priced at around $30 to $50, and this trimmer earns the top position by simply doing everything right. No compromises, no weak spots, just a genuinely well-rounded product from start to finish. Panasonic has a long-standing reputation for making reliable, high-quality grooming tools, and this trimmer is a textbook example of that reputation being fully justified. From the moment you pick it up, it feels premium, solid construction, a comfortable and well-balanced grip, and a design that's clearly been engineered for real-world use rather than just looking good on a shelf. The ES-WV60S comes with multiple attachments, including a foil shaver and a precision trimmer, so you can go from shaping and trimming to a super close shave without ever needing to switch to a different device. It's fully waterproof and performs beautifully in the shower, which is incredibly convenient for your regular routine, and the hypoallergenic blade is gentle enough for even the most reactive and sensitive skin types. The battery life is genuinely impressive. It charges reliably and consistently, and the motor runs surprisingly quietly, which honestly is one of those small details you don't think about until you experience it, and then you realize how much it actually matters for your overall comfort during use. What makes the Panasonic ES-WV60S our number 1 pick is the fact that it nails the combination of build quality, trimming performance, skin comfort, versatility, and value all at the same time, and at a price that's still completely reasonable for what you're getting. It delivers a genuinely smooth, clean finish that you'd honestly expect from a device costing twice as much. Whether you're picking up your very first dedicated bikini trimmer or you've gone through several and still haven't found the right one, the Panasonic ES-WV60S is the one that's going to make you stop searching. It's the best bikini trimmer available right now, and it earns that title completely.